Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, go ahead and smash that subscribe button. Make sure that you're a part of the fam because you know you don't want to miss out on videos. But today I'm going to be showing you guys the easiest way on how to do your crochet by yourself. So I've completely made it super foolproof for you guys, and I've included the steps at the bottom of the screen, so go ahead and follow that and you will not get lost, I promise you. Please do not mind my kitchen, y'all, okay, my little BDBs. That's not what this video is about, so don't be clocking me. I noticed that the leave-in conditioner that I used started to flake up on my hair. I don't know what that's about, but that's not dandruff, y'all, just FYI. And don't be trying to come for my Meek Mill braids either. I didn't feel like braiding my hair neat. But if you guys don't know how to braid your own hair, go ahead and ask somebody who does know how to braid your hair or braid hair period, and get your crochet popping. So one more time for the slow pokes who may have missed it. Basically what you do is you wrap the hair around the crochet stick, you pull it through underneath the braid, you wrap the loop part over the loose ends of the hair, and you pull it through and make sure that it's nice and tight, and that's it. And you just repeat the steps over and over until you're at the top of your head and your crochet is done and ready for styling. I went ahead and I did not cut the top packs. I just laid them there and left them long because that's the look that I was going for. If I would have cut them in half, it would have been short on the top and short on the bottom, and that's not really the look that I was going for. So I kept the tops long, and yeah, I'm just finishing up the tops right now, filling in the rest that needs to be filled in. And then I'm going in with my scissors to give it the shape that I want. And I finished one side already, and that's kind of the shape I wanted. And then I went ahead and flipped it to the middle so that I can kind of thin it out because it was a little too puffy for me. So I'm just cutting some of the hair out a little bit. Lastly, I went in with the Garnier Fructis moisturizer, and I applied that on the top of my hair. I actually ended up braiding my hair small and then putting the moisturizer on, and it came out like this. And that's the final look, you guys. It's super natural. It was so easy to do this style. I hope this video really does help you guys. Don't forget to like this video, comment below any video requests. I'm not sure why that doesn't say thanks for watching. Subscribe, of course, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.